Today, we're going to use UE5's blueprint system to customize the look and feel of the shiny runes we created in the previous video. Let's get into the action. As a starting point, we'll be using the third-person template project that gets shipped with Unreal Engine 5. We'll create a new blueprint for our rune by right-clicking in the content browser, selecting Blueprint Class, setting it to be an actor, and then renaming it to BP_VFX_Rune of Power. Double-click this asset to open up the blueprint editor. With the default scene route selected, press the Add Components button and search for Niagara Particle System Component. Name this NPS_Rune of Power. Now set the value of its Niagara system asset in the details panel to be our Rune of Power Niagara system. If you compile, save, and drag this blueprint into your game world, you can see our effect being rendered with its default scale and color. To change this, go back to our blueprint and navigate to its construction script. Drag off the construction script node and search and select the sequence node. Drag off the first pin of this node and search for set Niagara variable. As you can see, there are many functions available to you. More specifically, using these nodes, you can set all of your Niagara system's user exposed parameters. For now, select the set Niagara variable float node. This node has 3 parameters: a reference to the Niagara system component whose variable we want to assign data to, the name of this variable as it appears in the Niagara system's parameters panel, and the value we want it to have. We'll use this node to set our system scale. To do this, set the variable's name to scale, then create a public blueprint variable of type float, naming it VFX_scale, and attaching its value to the Niagara variable node's value pin. Then compile, save, and go back to the level editor. Select our effects actor, then in the details panel, set its scale value to 5. As you can see, our blueprint reconstructs our effect with its new scale value. Going back to our blueprint's construction script, we'll drag off our second sequence pin and then search and select the set Niagara variable linear color node. We'll then set its variable name to color01 and set its value to be that of the new public variable we'll create, which has a type of linear color. Now compile, save, and go back to the level editor. Set the value of our color variable in the details panel to be red. As you can see, our blueprint reconstructs our effect with its new color value. In the next chapter of this series, we're going to analyze the performance of our effect, then optimize it by setting our emitters to run on the GPU, as well as creating an asset called an effect type, which will allow us to use several methods to stop rendering our effects when we don't need them to be active. If you have any questions regarding how to use this system, feel free to join the community Discord, where somebody is always around to help. Please like, subscribe, and tell somebody you love them. We'll see you in the next one.